These 5 things have set me up to retire earlier than my friends, my boss, even my parents. Know why I want to retire early, so I can spend more time with my children when they're young, work on passion projects, and provide financial security for my family without depending on a paycheck. Track my expenses so that I have visibility to how much income I'm spending, know how much money I need to have to be able to retire. Embody concepts like minimalism, eco-friendly, frugality, budgeting to help change my habit around spending money. Have a growth mindset and be comfortable with taking risks to change my beliefs about money and investing. Save 65% of my income to help me reduce and control my living expenses. This will also mean I live on less of my income, so I need less money saved for retiring early. Invest my savings in low-cost total stock market index fund so my money grows more than the rate of inflation, so that I am diversified among all the total stock market and not risking my future in a single company. And low-cost fees so I do not give away part of my savings to someone else.